Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Open your system battery report and note health percentage and charge cycles. Once done, unplug all external drives and close CPU-hungry apps so measurements are accurate. Make sure power plan is set to balanced. Next, update firmware and battery drivers. This often fixes inefficient charging logic. If updates require a restart, perform them now. These initial checks both reveal the scale of drain and eliminate common software causes fast. You now run deep diagnostics and apply targeted adjustments. Start with power diagnostics like power /energy or activity monitor. Identify top consumers and background services causing wake events. Then calibrate the battery. Charge to 100%, disconnect and run to shutdown, then fully charge again. This restores reporting accuracy. While waiting, disable unneeded startup apps and background syncs to reduce phantom drain. Make sure to apply changes one at a time so you can measure improvements and isolate the real culprit. You finish with definitive fixes and one key troubleshooting tip. If battery health reads below about 70% or cycle count is very high, plan a replacement. Aging cells cause rapid drain. Test the laptop in safe mode or boot from a clean USB image to rule out software. Also inspect the charger and DC jack for intermittency. A faulty adapter mimics battery failure. If problems persist after these steps, take the machine to a service center and mention your diagnostics so they can focus on hardware or board-level faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.